Hey fellow equestrians, welcome back to All Things Horse. My name is Maya and today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean an English saddle. Cleaning off your tack is important. It helps your tack stay clean and helps it last longer. So let's get started. Alrighty, so I've got my rag and my saddle cleaning supplies. And I've got my saddle here on my saddle rack, so we can get started. So you're just going to get your saddle cleaning supplies and just put a little bit on your rag. Then you're just going to clean off the area. As for the stirrup leathers, you can take them off or you can just unbuckle them and adjust it as needed. I usually do this way just because I find it a lot easier and less time consuming. If you enjoyed this video so far, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment below what kind of saddle you have or dream to have. Let's get back to the video. So you're just going to repeat that process all over your saddle, on the top, underneath, and all the way at the bottom, under there. And then when you're done, make sure to run up your stirrups. This is just a good way to store your stirrups so that they aren't dangling around. Is you hold on to the stirrup leather and you push your stirrup all the way up to the top. You get your loop and you stick it through the stirrup. Then you're just going to get your strap and stick it in that pocket there, and then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment below what kind of saddle you have or dream to have. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.